So, let's be honest for a second, okay? You know that feeling when you have the perfect sentence in your head? Like, it's clear, it sounds absolutely amazing in your mind, but then, ugh, you go to say it out loud and something just fails. If that sounds familiar, and I'm pretty sure it does, then I really need you to listen closely, okay? This video isn't about learning 1,000 new words or, memorizing complex grammar rules. Nope. This is about confidence. I'm going to show you a simple but powerful technique, and I mean really powerful, that you can start using today to improve your pronunciation so much that you'll finally feel confident when you speak. It's a technique that will make the English that comes out of your mouth sound just as good as the English you understand in your head. This powerful technique is called shadowing. So, what is shadowing? Well, it's incredibly easy to do. You listen to a native speaker or any person speaking English with fluency, and you repeat what they say at the exact same time, like you are literally their shadow. Pretty cool, right? This technique is so magical because it directly trains your mouth muscles. It connects your ears to your voice and teaches you the music of English. I mean, the natural rhythm and flow that you just can't learn from a textbook. It's honestly the closest you can get to thinking in English. All right, want to learn how you can do it correctly? It's easy, you will see. Here are your simple, step-by-step tips to start shadowing today. Tip number 1, find the right content. Choose a short audio or video. Could be 1 or 2 minutes long with someone speaking English fluently. Now, this is important. You need to have the transcript or the captions. I mean subtitles. You can use YouTube videos, podcasts, or even scenes from Netflix. Whatever works for you. Tip number 2, to do it well, you need to listen first. Play the audio once while you read the text. Just get a feel for the content, No pressure here. Tip number 3. Here is where it gets fun, because you start shadowing. Play the audio again, and this time speak along with the speaker. Read the text as you do it. And hey, don't worry if you make mistakes. Just try to keep up with the speed and the rhythm. It's all about practice. You just need to imitate. Copy the way they say every word and every phrase at the same time they are speaking in the video. Tip number 4, do it again. But this time, focus only on the sound. Try to copy the speaker's emotion and the music of their voice. This is where it gets really interesting. Tip number 5, the final challenge, blind shadowing. Try to do it without looking at the text. This is where the real magic happens for your brain. It might be difficult at first, I'm not gonna lie, but it is so powerful. Now, here's the most important part. How can you actually use this in your real daily life? Let me give you 3 easy examples that you can try right now. Example 1, if you are a beginner. You could practice with YouTube videos. Find one from a channel for English learners, like this channel or any other channel you like. Pick a short video, put on the captions, and just shadow the first 30 seconds. That's it. It's a perfect start, and you will be amazed at how quickly you start to notice a difference in how you sound and how you feel. Example 2, if you are in an intermediate level. Go to Netflix and find your favorite TV show, movie, or series. Don't just say the words. Try to copy their tone. Trust me, Shadowing emotions helps you remember phrases forever. Example 3. Whether you are an advanced learner. It will be easier for you to practice with a TED Talk. Your goal? Sound as clear and confident as the person on that stage. Shadow their confidence. It's incredible what this does for you. All right, are you ready to practice with me right now? I'm going to say 5 common daily life sentences. First, I'll say the sentence so you can just listen. Then, I'll count you in and you will say it along with me. Be my shadow. Don't worry about perfection. Just try to match my rhythm and flow. All right? Sentence number 1. First, just listen. What are you up to this weekend? Now let's shadow it together. 3, 2, 1. What are you up to this weekend? What are you up to this weekend? Great job. Let's do the next one. Sentence number 2. Just listen. I'm running a little late. Okay, get ready to shadow. 3, 2, 1. I'm running a little late. I'm running a little late. Excellent. You're getting the hang of it. Sentence number 3. Listen carefully to the flow. I'm just grabbing a bite to eat. I'm just grabbing a bite to eat. Ready? Let's say it together. 3, 2, 1. I'm just grabbing a bite to eat. Awesome. Let's practice with 2 more examples. Sentence number 4. Listen first. Honestly, it's been a long day. Okay, be my shadow. 3, 2, 1. Honestly, it's been a long day. Perfect. Last one, let's make it a positive one. Just listen. That sounds like a plan. Ready to copy what I said? 3, 2, 1. That sounds like a plan. One more time. That sounds like a plan. See? That's the feeling. You just did it. That is shadowing. Here is my challenge to you. Just 5 minutes. That's all I ask. Find a short video and try it. Don't worry about being perfect. Just try to do it all the time when you watch a video, a movie or series, or with a podcast. Bye!